Let's cut through the noise. Are you getting scammed with the Dell SE2425HM, or is this monitor actually a legit bargain? If you're hunting for a budget-friendly display, this 24-inch Dell is popping up everywhere. Usually you'll find it for under $130. That's about $2,000 if you're in South Africa. So, what's the real deal? Here's what you get. A crisp 23.8-inch IPS panel, full HD resolution, and a super smooth 100 Hz refresh rate. That's a big step up compared to most cheap monitors stuck at 60 or 75 Hz. Scrolling, streaming, spreadsheets, all just look and feel smoother, and I gotta say, the color accuracy and viewing angles are solid. It's not some washed-out panel. Plus, Dell throws in Comfort View Plus, so blue light is dialed down. That means fewer headaches after long work sessions. But hey, let's talk trade-offs. This monitor's all about keeping the price low, so the stand? It tilts. Nothing else. Forget height or swivel adjustments. Ports? There's just HDMI and VGA. No built-in speakers, not even DisplayPort. If you want to plug in a ton of stuff, look elsewhere. So, is Dell scamming you? Not at all. This monitor's legit. It just cuts corners on extras to give you a fast, reliable display for the price. It's perfect for students, remote workers, or anyone who just needs an affordable, no-fuss screen. Serious gamer? You'll probably want something with FreeSync or a faster response time. Maybe check out the KTC H24F8 or an Acer alternative. One last tip. Don't mix up the SE2425HM with the SE2425H. The HM model is IPS, so you get those better viewing angles. Bottom line? If you want a reliable, sharp, and surprisingly smooth monitor without breaking the bank,